Hello students, welcome to my class. So today's topic is object in Microsoft Word 2010. So in this chapter we will discuss about the objects of MS Word. A Word document looks very boring and uninteresting. It has only text. So make it very attractive and fun to read by adding various pictures, shapes and symbols. So, Word 2010 comes with a collection of many such objects like clip arts, pictures, shapes and symbols. So, let's start the chapter with all these objects. So, students, in this chapter we will discuss about clip art, pictures, as well as how can we format our pictures and how can we make our document very attractive. So all these options are required to make your document attractive, initiative and effective. Let's start the topic. How can we insert objects in MS Word 2010? So let's start the topic, students. So see, this one is your MS Word. In your MS Word, we are having topic like what are shapes, formatting a shape using the format tab, adding text in a shape, inserting word art, formatting word art, inserting pictures from your computer, as well as inserting pictures, online pictures especially. Next is your editing a picture, and next resizing an image, rotating an image and cropping an image. So students, for doing all these tasks we are having this menu. By using this we can format our text as well as objects. So next, inserting shape. So first we will see how can we insert shape in MS Word. So for doing this, go to your insert tab. See, this one is your pop-up menu of your shapes. There are so many shapes. See, choose your desired shape. We are having different types of shape, students. So choose your shape. For choosing your shape, click on it, and then after that see this one plus symbol. You will drag your this one symbol, and then after that see your shape has been inserted in your document. And after inserting the shape, see additional tab open, format. So by using this format tab, you can choose the option for formatting your shape. Clear? So by using the format tab, you can change the design of your shape and change the shape of your design. Then you can choose the color, size and so many things are available there. So see, now we can increase or decrease the size of your shape very easily by using inward or outward of your mouse. See, this one is your shape. And next, student, if you want to change the layout of your shape, then you can very easily. See, this one is your color. So choose your color by using your color box, and if you want to fill it, then you can fill. You can change the outline of your shape, then you can, as well as if you want to change the outline design, then you can also. So well, student, I hope so all of you know. If you want to adding text in your shape, then you can. So to add your text in your shape, then you can by using your add text option. So now we are capable to write down the text in your shape, and if you want to change the color of your shape, then you can do it very easily. So this one task is very easy, student. If you want to change the font style of your shape, then you can. Size, style, format, whatever you want to do, then you can change it very easily. Next, student, inserting word art. If you want to insert a word art in your document, this one task is also easy. But before inserting word art, you need to go to your home tab, and then after that go to your insert tab, and then after that see this one is your word art option. See, choose your style, whatever word art style you want to choose, then you can, and then after that you will write down your name. So whatever name you want to insert, then you can. See, this is your style. Student, after inserting your word art, see, you are having a tab also, format tab also. Now you can change the layout, design, color. So whatever you want to change, then you can it. So we have changed the format of our word art. So choose it, whatever you suit and whatever you require according to your document, then you can. So we can change the color, size, style, and by using your dragging your mouse, you can change the size of your word art. So we have formatted our word art very easily. Next is your student inserting pictures from your PC. Those one pictures you have saved in your computer, then you can insert it very easily. So we can insert. So first choose your location where you have saved your pictures. Go to your option, then after that choose your location, and then after that see, we have stored some pictures in our document, and then after that click on it and your picture inserted in your document. Where you have placed your cursor, then you can insert your picture there. By using your mouse inward or outward, you can manage the size of your image. See, by using the square corners, we can stretch or compress the picture. By using the circle squares, we can resize your picture. By this one rotate handle, center point, have you seen this rotate handle? Then you can rotate and move your picture. Now we have cropped the picture. See, this one is the cropping. Now next, students, this one is your cropped picture, and then after that inserting online pictures using the internet. So for using this, first we are having an internet connection, and go to the insert and go to your location where you have pictures. See, online images. Now write down the image name, whatever you want to insert, and type of the image, and then after that see, we are having so many images, and click on it, and then after that click on insert, and now this one is downloaded image, and then after that see, by using the mouse you can increase or decrease the size of the picture, and if you want to crop this one picture, so you can crop it. Okay, by using the square and circle, you can resize your picture. By using the crop option, you can crop.